Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English with Ease, where learning English is easy, natural, and real. I'm Sarah, your English teacher.
And I'm Alvin. And today, I think we are talking to a very honest group of people.
Yes, today's episode is for people who say, I don't like English. I get bored. I feel tired when I study. I tried before and I failed.
Or people like me who open a grammar book, read 2 pages, and suddenly feel sleepy and then check their phone for 40 minutes.
Exactly. So today we are not teaching English like a school lesson. No heavy grammar, no complicated rules, no long homework, no pressure.
So what are we doing?
We are learning English for people who hate English. Minimal effort, maximum clarity, real speaking.
I think many listeners feel guilty. They want English, but they don't want the struggle.
And that is completely normal. The problem is not you. The problem is the method.
Because most people try to learn English like mathematics, rules, formulas, memorization.
Yes, but English is not math. English is communication. You don't need perfection, you need useful sentences.
So instead of studying English, we should start using English.
Exactly. Usage creates confidence. Confidence creates fluency. Let me ask you something, Alvin. Do you use English every day?
Yes, on my phone, on social media, on YouTube, in games, in movies, even in music.
Exactly. You are already surrounded by English. You just don't notice it.
So the problem is not no exposure, the problem is no confidence.
Perfectly said. People think they are beginners, but in reality, they already know hundreds of words. First rule for people who hate English, stop trying to sound smart.
That already feels relaxing.
You don't need long sentences. For example, instead of saying, I am currently experiencing a little bit of tiredness, just say, I'm tired.
Short, clear, real.
Instead of, I am feeling slightly hungry at this moment, just say, I'm hungry.
So English becomes lighter.
Exactly. English is not about impressing people. English is about expressing yourself. Rule number 2, use English in micro moments.
Micro moments?
Yes, very small daily situations. No study table, no books, no pressure. For example, when you wake up, I'm still sleepy. When you check the weather, it's hot today. It's cold today. When you drink coffee or tea, this tastes good. When you finish work, I'm finally free. When you are tired at night, what a long day.
So we don't study English, we live English.
Exactly. 5 seconds here, 10 seconds there. This is how fluency quietly grows.
But what about vocabulary? People always say you need 10,000 words.
That's a myth. You can survive daily conversations with 200 to 300 words.
That's much less scary.
Let's try something simple. I'll say a situation, you answer in basic English. You are hungry.
I'm hungry.
You are late.
I'm late.
You are confused.
I don't understand.
You are happy.
I'm happy.
Perfect. This is real English. Not complicated, not heavy, not academic, just human. Sarah, rule number 3. Stop translating every sentence in your head.
That is very hard.
Yes, but powerful. Instead of thinking in your language first, learn small English reactions directly. For example, oh really? That's nice. No problem. I see. Sounds good. Maybe later. I'm not sure.
They're like emotional shortcuts.
Exactly. They save brain energy and reduce fear instantly.
Sometimes people hate English because of pronunciation.
Accent is not a problem. Clarity is important, not perfection. You don't need a foreign accent. You need a clear voice.
So speaking slowly is okay?
More than okay. Speaking slowly shows confidence, not weakness. Fast English is not fluent English. Clear English is fluent English. Let's imagine a small conversation using minimal English. I meet you after a long day. How was your day?
Busy, but good.
What did you do?
Work, meetings, and you?
Same. I'm tired.
Me too.
This is simple English, but it is real conversation. No grammar stress, no big vocabulary, still natural.
People who hate English usually say, "I'll start tomorrow."
Yes, tomorrow never comes. So change the sentence. Instead of I'll start tomorrow, say I'll speak one sentence today.
One sentence feels possible.
And small daily actions create big progress. 5 sentences a day for 1 year is more powerful than one long study session once a month. Tiny daily practice. Only 3 sentences. Morning, today will be good. Afternoon, I'm doing okay. Night, I learned something today.
That doesn't feel like studying. It feels like talking to yourself.
Exactly. Self-talk builds fluency quietly.
What if someone laughs at mistakes?
Then remember this. Every fluent speaker was once a beginner. Mistakes are not embarrassment. They are progress in action.
So mistakes are proof of movement.
Yes, silence is the real enemy, not mistakes. Before we end, remember this message. You don't need hours. You need moments. You don't need perfection. You need participation. You don't need big words. You need honest words.
Speak a little every day. Even one sentence matters.
If today's episode made English feel lighter for you, share it with someone who says, I hate English.
Because maybe they don't hate English, they just need a better way.
Keep speaking, keep it simple, keep it real.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.